Afternoon all. We've come to a place called Elridge Rocks, Tunbridge Wells. Come for a walk and seen all these rock formations and some different trees coming out of them. So I'll swing you around and you can have a look roughly where we are. I'll show you some photos later. There's a whole walk that goes all the way down that path down there with lots of rock formations. So I'll post some later and you better see what pictures you can get. Have a good day.